Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to check if iPhone is real or not. If you want to check that your iPhone is real or fake, so you just have to follow a simple trick. You just have to open your phone settings and here go to general, then go to about, and about you'll get a serial number of your phone. You just have to keep a long press on it, then a copy pop-up will appear. You just have to tap on it and the serial number of your phone will be copied to your clipboard. Now go for home screen and then open your browser. It may be Safari or anyone more. Here you have to search for checkcoverage.apple.com. Just search for the website and this website will be open. If the website won't open, you just have to search for on the check coverage. Just search for it and open this website, and here you have the option of enter a device serial number. Just tap on it, then press on it, and then the paste option will show. You just have to tap on it and the serial number of the phone will be pasted here. Just tap on submit and you will get all information on your phone. Here paste the serial number and then submit. But if you